Hello everyone, welcome to Paaksiddhii Cookery. This is Neelima.
Christmas is in the air, and by Christmas we recall many sorts of cakes and cookies. Today, I would like to share with you a very simple recipe of cookies which can be made with just 3 ingredients. These can be made in hardly 20 to 25 minutes. These don't need an oven, no baking powder is used, no baking soda is used. For this, first of all, let's take 1/4 cup powdered sugar, in which I'm adding 1/4 cup melted clarified butter. Just bind them together and add half cup wheat flour. This is very healthy because I'm going to use wheat flour in this. Bind all the 3 ingredients together. Spoon couldn't be used anymore, so I'm using my hand. Just make into a soft dough. If at any point of time you feel the dough is watery, add little more wheat flour. Then I think it's going to be sufficient. See, this is the required consistency. Take a small portion of it because I love these cookies to be small, like mini cookies. So I'm just taking a small portion of it. Size is up to you. Just I'm rolling in between the palms. Just press a little, not a lot. Just press, gently press, and put them in a non-stick pan like this. Arrange them, gently roll. See, the thickness should be like this. Not a lot thick, not a lot thin. Arrange all the cookies like this. Let's do some designing to these cookies after a little while. So let there be some space between the cookies so that when they get heated up, they would bloat and they have some breathing space. Meanwhile, take a pan like this, heat the pan for 10 minutes because we have to place this non-stick pan on that pan. I'm just making a simple design. You can make any design as you wish. You can use even a fork to design the cookies. The pan is getting heated up there on the stove. See, I've all designed. Now I'm placing this non-stick pan on the heated pan. This acts as an oven. I'm closing this with a lid. Maintain low to medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Let them get baked. After 7 or 8 minutes, it's like the shade has changed. The wheat flour has changed the shade. See, on the bottom part you can make out the light brown color. They are done. They appear to be soft when they are hot. Let them get cooled down. Let them come down to room temperature. They would be able to be consumed. See, I've arranged all the cookies like this. Just to show you, it's very soft. It's very soft. You'd be surprised that no baking powder and no baking soda is used in this. It's very soft. So it's done. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. If you haven't subscribed to Paaksiddhii Cookery yet, please do that. And if you like this video, please share among your friends and relatives and give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.